Hello. This video is intended to demonstrate the variety of components that can attach onto your b.Board and how to do so. We'll start with the microbit. To begin, you can take this USB cable, make sure that these teeth are facing down, and they plug directly into your microbit like so. When we plug our microbit into our b.Board, we want to make sure the LEDs on the front are facing forward and that the microbit fits snugly into this slot and is pushed all the way in like so. Next, we'll attach our battery to the bottom of the b.Board. This simply plugs into the slot at the bottom here. Each kit comes with a charger for this battery. It simply plugs into the battery like so.